Attention computer science and engineering students. Are you tired of falling asleep in class while your lecturer spills out C++ gobbledygook? My name is Sahil Bora and I'm the founder and proprietor of the C++ Better Explained website. What I'm offering you guys today is my 87-page book that outlines how to quickly and master the fundamentals of the C++ programming language. If you've been searching around for free YouTube videos that haven't made any sense at all, or free C++ tutorials online that have made you want to gouge your eyes out, my book will put all of that to rest today, because my book is written in a straightforward and direct manner using my learning tools such as Analogies for Dummies, visual code diagrams, and simple code documentation that will get you learning and understanding the C++ programming language in a matter of days. The book is $9, and what I want you guys to do is to click on the green button below and pick up a copy today. You will not regret this at all.